Hello, I am the Ketoing Viking. I just came back from another successful raid. And today I am going to be making cheesy chicken. So let's begin. I'm gonna remove my axe first. Safety first. First, I want a pound of chicken in my trusty cast iron skillet. Next, I'm going to add about a cup of cheesy sauce. Now, you could use whatever cheese you want, cheddar cheese, Havarti, Swiss. This is cheddar, heavy whipping cream, and some Havarti. So I'm going to use that. Mix it in here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add also a little bit of spinach, about a cup. And then a little bit of onion to taste. And a third cup of sour cream. And it's that easy. Now all we have to do is sit this on the stove and wait it out. I'm going to put it on medium heat. It's going to take about 20 minutes. I'm going to stir it occasionally, and then I'm going to flip over the chicken. And then it'll be ready to serve. Okay, so getting there. We're getting there. Just want to make sure nothing's sticking. We're kind of getting all the chicken breasts off the bottom of the skillet a little bit. Nothing's sticking so far. Looks pretty good actually. Looks really good. Needs a lot of cooking down. But meanwhile, a little bit of white pepper. A little bit of paprika. Whoop, and I'm making a mess. Ah, Viking's making a mess again. And a little bit of black pepper. And we're gonna stir that around. We're gonna make sure that it gets incorporated. Make sure that looks really good. We could flip the chicken. That's not done yet on the one side though, so we are gonna wait. Oop, this one's sticking a little bit. There we go. There we go. And it's about ready to be turned, so we are gonna turn it. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful. And some other things you can add to this if you want is mushrooms. You can add a little bit more garlic if you wanted to in your cheese sauce. Sky's the limit. Whatever you want to add. If you don't want the spinach, you don't have to add the spinach. I try to get my young boys to eat as much vegetables as possible. They're growing Vikings. We're just about done here. Of course, some of the oils are separating from the cheese sauce. But that's okay. It still tastes really good. And the whole family loves it. So we're gonna dish this up. Here we go. It took about 30 minutes to cook in total. Oh, it looks hot. Right out of the pan. Hot. Hot. Oh, that is good. That is good. Fit for a Viking. Keto. Skål.